Okay, so we're going to begin to part 2, section 6 of personal finance. We're going to talk about life insurance, disability insurance, unemployment insurance, car insurance, and property insurance. Life insurance protects your family against the negative financial impact that would be caused by your death. If you die, the life insurance company provides your family with the amount of money that is usually based on your salary you receive. The insurance company pays your family what the way the insurance company pays your family will depend on your type of insurance plan. Your family might receive payments that are equal to your salary every year, or are set for a number of years, or they might receive one large payment. Your beneficiary is a person or group of people who will receive your insurance money. Life insurance is most important when you have people depending on your income, such as children, since those people might have difficulty supporting themselves financially if you died. An example, you may not you may not need life insurance if you're a single person living alone with nobody else depending on your income. A good time to consider getting life insurance is when you're planning to have children. So when is it most important to have life insurance? If you're unmarried, if you're ready to retire, when your children grow up, or when you have children who depend on your income. If you said children who depend on your income, your term life insurance is a policy that is limited to a specific period of time. The term is the length of time during which you are covered by the life insurance policy. A term lasts for a specific period of time, such as 1 year, 10 years, or 20 years. If you die during the term, your beneficiaries receive the amount of the policy. Permanent life insurance is a policy that provides coverage for your entire life so that it's not limited to a specific term. Permanent life insurance is also called cash value life because it can grow in cash value, and you may be able to exchange the policy for cash or take a loan out using it as collateral. So which of the following is an advantage of a term life insurance? The policy can be exchanged for cash at some point. The policy lasts for an indefinite period of time. The policy can help you save for retirement, or the policy can protect you when you have the highest need for it. Disability insurance provides income if an injury or illness prevents you from working. Worker compensation provides payments to employees who develop an injury or other disability while on the job until the employee is able to return to work. Individual and group plans. Some people purchase disability insurance for themselves directly from an insurance company. An employer might also offer group disability insurance plans for its employer as an employee benefit or as an optional program that employees can participate in by paying their own premiums. In the U.S., Social Security insurance provides benefits to individuals who are long-term or permanently disabled. Each time you are paid by an employer, a portion of your paycheck goes toward the tax fund that provides these benefits to people who need them. If you become disabled, you won't receive these benefits if you're covered by another form of disability insurance. Okay, so which of the following expenses is covered by workman's compensation? Loss of wages for a short time. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hit that. Medical expenses due to an injury that did not happen at work, loss of health care insurance after injury, or lost wages for extended period of time. Workman comp covers wages for a short time due to an injury at work. If you lose your job, you may qualify for unemployment insurance. Unemployment insurance is a program that provides money to help replace your income if you've lost your job. However, these payments will not be the same amount as the income you had at your job. They are usually only large enough to pay for your basic needs. Unemployment insurance is a government program that is paid for by tax dollars. The Federal Unemployment Tax Act, FUTA, provides federal unemployment insurance by charging a tax on employers. Many states also have unemployment taxes. In most states, you can only receive unemployment benefits if you work full-time or for a specific length of time for an employer that pays unemployment taxes to the government, and you lost your job for the reasons that were not your fault. If you were fired for poor job performance, you may not be able to receive unemployment benefits. If your company couldn't afford to pay all its employees and you lost your job in a layoff, you may be eligible for unemployment benefits. Which of the following would most likely make you eligible for unemployment benefits? Oh, well, I got it right away, but losing a job because the company downsizes. If you have poor job performance, you can't most likely get unemployment insurance. So it's important to do good at your work, even if you get laid off. If you lose a job at a nonprofit, well, they don't pay unemployment insurance. So, or not taking a job, or not looking for a job, you will not get paid unemployment benefits. Liability is a legal term for being held accountable and obligated to fulfill a commitment. Liability insurance protects you by helping to cover costs that are caused by events you're responsible for. Nearly every state law has laws saying that if you drive a car, you must have liability insurance. This way, if you cause a car accident, your insurance can help pay for the cost of repairs to the cars or property you damage or medical bills if people get hurt. If you don't have liability insurance to cover these costs, you'll be taken to court and have your wages or possessions taken away to cover costs. So when you drive, make sure you have a liability insurance. So which of the following would your liability insurance protect you against? Loss of income, if you become too sick to work. Oops. Not a checkup for a doctor, that's health insurance. Failure to pay insurance premiums on time, that's neither. It would help you prepare repairs for a car that was damaged in an accident you caused. That's why you have to have a liability insurance. Property insurance is insurance that covers the property that you own or rent, such as your home, apartment, or the inside of the property. Homeowners insurance makes sure that your home is protected in the case of fire, robberies, or unexpected events. Renter's insurance works like homeowners insurance, but it specifically provides protection to real estate that you rent, such as an apartment. It protects the items inside the rented property even when those belongings are not inside the home, and it can also protect renters from liability. However, renter's insurance does not cover damage to the rented property itself. So, which of the following expenses might not be covered by homeowners insurance? Oop. A neighbor who falls down the stairs in your home, a basement that's flooded by rain, a television that's stolen from your home, a laptop computer that's stolen from your backpack at school. Well, if it's not near your home, oop, let's see, maybe I guess it's homeowners insurance may not cover expenses caused by natural disasters such as floods. Huh. But you can get flood insurance, which actually would allow for you to be covered. But that's added to your premium for homeowners insurance. Car insurance covers expenses for damage that you cause to other drivers. Car insurance also is called auto insurance or vehicle insurance. If you are in a car accident, that's your fault. Your insurance company will cover the repairs for your car or property you damage. Some car insurance also covers damage to your own vehicle if you damage it in an accident. This is probably something we can just surmise, but why does a car insurance company consider your age when determining the premium or the cost of your insurance? Because young drivers are less experienced drivers? Because young people drive more expensive cars? Because young people can't afford expensive premiums? Or because people in their 20s have more accidents than teenagers? Well, I think obviously it's because young people are less experienced, they're more apt to get into accidents, so the insurance is going to be higher. In this lesson, we learned about life insurance, disability insurance, unemployment insurance, and car insurance and property insurance. See you next for part 3 of section 6, personal finance.